Hi guys, good evening. Right now it's about 6:52 p.m. and today is 29th of April 2020. Hope you guys are doing well. Yesterday, I gave one stock Moltech and I said buy above 435. Today itself the stock has made a high of 460. If you saw my video yesterday, if you saw my tweet, or if you followed me on my Telegram channel, please give a thumbs up. I'll be really happy to know that you all watched it and you made money, right? That's called precise and accurate research. I'm your host, Dr. Seema Jain. I'm a SEBI registered research analyst. I'm founder and chief mentor at StockPro, partner with Zerodha, Upstocks, Fires, and Astha Trade, right? So today I have come up with a very, very nice analysis, and please understand the analysis nicely, clearly, and there are various ways you can invest. So because ये बहुत important stock है और मुझे लग रहा है कि इसमें एक ज़बरदस्त मूव आने वाला है, तो हुआ क्या कि मैं 2 दिन से 3 दिन से रादर 4-5 दिन से मैं इसका प्राइस रीड कर रही थी और मुझे लग रहा था कुछ तो इसमें होने वाला है, कुछ कोई एक इंफॉर्मेशन है जो मुझे ये स्टॉक बताना चाहता है, बट मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा था कि क्या है इस प्राइस में क्या एक पीछे क्या कहानी चल रही है, what is the story behind the price. I didn't know about it, and when I saw today's newspaper everything became clearer, and then I did the research and I figured out what is actually cooking up, right? So now all the puzzle pieces have been put together for you guys, and I've got my latest research here. So जितना भी ये एक होता है ना पहेली के जैसे था ये स्टॉक, मैं बहुत दिनों से इसको देख रही थी और मुझे लग रहा था कि कुछ तो है जो मुझे इसमें पता लगाना है, और कुछ तो इसमें है जो प्राइस मुझे बताना चाह रहा है, एंड आई वाज नॉट बीइंग एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड कि, और मुझे लगता है इस स्टॉक में एक जबरदस्त मूव आने वाला है, राइट? सो आई एम गोना टेल यू व्हिच इज द स्टॉक, व्हाट इज द स्टोरी बिहाइंड इट, एंड हाउ कैन यू यूज इट, right? We will be telling a lot more methods to our students who have done the webinar. So in case you want to get in touch with our team, you have all the details out here: WhatsApp, Twitter, Facebook, website. You can go to the website and get in touch with us. So let me take you to, this is my Twitter handle. You must have seen yesterday I had given this stock called Moltech, right? I have given a buy on Moltech. Where did I give a buy? 437. And let me show you what happened in Moltech today. You will be able to see, you will be surprised to see how the stock moved today. So here we are, and let me just show you Moltech packaging, right? So this is how the stock blasted, right? Clear cut blasting from the levels that we have given, right? And this is called research. This is called pure research, right? And I'm 100% sure you watched it and you saw the breakout. I have given another stock called 𝐒𝐲𝐿 small finance, and that's a bottomed out stock, right? And it has a huge space for movement in the upper direction from here to here, right? Till 44 there is unhindered movement that can be expected. A little bit challenge may come at this place where the sellers got activated, but otherwise it looks pretty solid to me till 44. So now let me come to the stock that I'm talking about. I'm talking about Naukri, right? This is how Naukri looks like. This is how Naukri's graph look like. So just let me explain you some little bit more detail. First, I'll go to the weekly graph, and what I really want to do, I want to show you some important stuff. So see here. Now, if you notice, on this date, right? This is 23rd of November. Let me mark it. On 23rd of November, I'm 100% sure there was some news or something. The buyers got activated here, right? And they formed a very important level, right? This buyer formed a very, very important level. Then the next set of buyers got activated at this place, right? This is a weekly time frame. The next set of buyers got activated at this place. Price went up, came down, fell till the same point. This buyer is a strong buyer. price went up, and then again it came down, making almost like a double top. And then it fell to this level where first time the buyers got activated, institutional buyers got activated, and now the stock has taken a support about a month back, April beginning, and it's going in the upper direction, right? So this basically, this is how the price is, right? Price is telling a lot of information. If you notice, went up, came down, sharply went up, then came down, and then bounced back, right? This is how the stock looks like today. And this is a weekly time frame. If you go back to the daily time frame, right? If you go back to the daily time frame, let me just show you what happens on what is happening on the daily time frame. It's the same levels that I've marked for you. So here the buyers got activated, pulled the stock up, then it came down. Again, this is another level from where the buyers are being activated. Same level, the buyers are again active. Now we again stand on a very, very crucial level, right? Now we again stand on a very crucial level, which is 5092, or I would rather make it 5100, 5100. I'll just round it off. And to me, what looks like, I mean, I really don't find these pattern very important. I don't think so. Pattern makes a difference. So pattern doesn't make a difference. What makes a difference is the price, right? So price came down till this point, went up, then came down, then went up, then again came down, and then went up, right? So this is the price. If you see from here, is shifting in the upper direction, right? Price is gradually shifting in the upper direction. Now the fresh series is starting from tomorrow. You can create your position on Monday. You can create your position tomorrow, whenever you want. But the price has to be above 5,100, 110, you can say, because the high of this candle has to be broken. Now what should be a target? What should be our stop loss? Our stop loss is going to be about 300 points, right? And if our stop loss is going to be 300 points, our target should be minimum 600 points. So the first target that I'm expecting is about 5,500, or rather I would make it here 5,300, 200 point ka stop pehla target hai. Next target is 5,550, right? Next target is going to be 5,868. But अगर ये level cross हो जाता है जहां से इसने past में resistance दिया है, I'm expecting 6,000, and then after that I'm expecting 7,000. This is where is 7,000. Just a sec. This is where the 7,000 is. So I'm expecting the stock to go till 7,000. That's my target for this stock for the coming, at least, if it's a future stock, right? It's not a cash stock, it's a future stock. So you have a various methods to play in it. I can suggest you a few methods. You can buy a contra trade here. So for our member, I'm going to be telling them exactly what need to be done. Second thing you can do is just buy simple cash. Third you can do is buy its call option, but call option need to be very, very careful, because if the price takes a little longer to go up, then your premium will decay. And the best could be you can sell its put option, right? Of course, with insurance. So I have done all analysis. I know what exactly I'm going to do tomorrow, right? So option buying, I'm not suggesting at this point of time. Why? Because if the price goes little slowly, let's say price goes, rather than shooting up like this, it goes slowly like this, then the premium of these calls will keep on deteriorating and you will not be able to get the benefit, right? So that is the technical part of it. Now, to back my what I'm trying to say, to back that, I just researched and I googled and I found some articles. So basically, you know what is in this article, Zomato IPO, how the numbers stack up in the 13-year journey. So right now we stand in 2021, and Zomato started in 2008. So Zomato has filed a red draft hearing prospectus for an initial public offering of up to 8,250 crore, which will mark the first public market outing for an Indian food tech firm and the first ever for a unicorn from the country, right? So you know that Flipkart or none of these unicorn have a, or Zerodha or any of these unicorns do not have a IPO, right? Now, according to the DRHP filed with the securities SEBI, the IPO will constitute a fresh issue of equity shares worth 7,500 crore and an offer of sale of rupees 750 crore by its largest stakeholder, which is none other than Info Edge, right? So here is where the company comes into the picture. The company also said it might consider a private placement of equity shares aggregating up to 1,500 crore prior to filing the prospectus of the ROC. The minimum size of the pre-IPO placement will have to constitute at least 10% of the post-offer paid equity. Now see here, so first the numbers, the Gurgaon-based company is growing quickly even at its payers cash burn. Operating revenues have nearly doubled, right? This is about Zomato. Operating revenues have nearly doubled to the for the financial year to 2019 to 2020 from 1312. So reason, you know, that year 2020, I mean, of course there probably the business has really grown up in this last couple of years, and of that 90% was derived from its primary revenue source, including advertising, commission and subscription offering Zomato Gold. Now in fact, third quarter of FY21 is recorded the highest ever quarterly gross overdue to date, which is 2981 crores, chiefly on the back of massive digital shift following the COVID-19 outbreak, right? We all know why it is growing so massively. Now see, this is about the Zomato, where Zomato में जो एक biggest शेयर होल्डर है वो है इन्फोएज. तो जब इन्होंने शुरुआत की थी करीब 2010 में इन्फोएज ने काफी बड़ा स्टेक लगाया था जोमेटो में. उस समय किसी को नहीं पता था कि जोमेटो इतनी बड़ी हो जाएगी, राइट? उस और यूनिकॉर्न का यही होता है, अगर चल गई और बहुत बढ़िया हो गई देन इट विल बी अ बिग कंपनी, बट अगर नहीं तो फिर जीरो भी हो सकता है पैसा. बट इन्फोएज बिलीव्ड इन द कंपनी एंड इन्वेस्टेड मनी, and that's how company has grown, right? Now InfoEdge, I was just going to the company's website because it's for the first time that I'm visiting this company's website. So I was going through, I was surprised that these are the companies InfoEdge is actually working in, right? So first and foremost, have a look at recruitment. So the company that they have is Naukri.com, first Naukri.com, Naukrigulf.com, Quadra, whatever, Contra Angles Research.com, and TV commercials, right? Then the next business that they have is in the real estate. I never knew that 99 acres belonged to them. Then matrimony, right? Jeevansathi.com belongs to them, right? Then education, Siksha.com belongs to them, right? And then investee companies, right? Where have they invested? So they are the biggest stakeholder in Zomato, right? Then the website zomato.com has gained significant acceptance in the marketplace. It provides menus of restaurants as well as reviews and ratings. Revenues are generated from the advertising of the restaurants and meal sale. Now see, you must be thinking, why am I sharing all this information with you? But मुझे क्या लगता है कि जब हम एक छोटी सी भी चीज खरीदते हैं, जैसे घर अपने लिए कोई मोबाइल फोन ले रहे हैं या कुछ, हम कोई भी चीज खरीदते हैं, हम उसके लिए सब कुछ हम उसको चेक करना चाहते हैं कि उसके प्रोज क्या है, कॉन्स क्या है, और कंपेयर करना चाहते हैं. बट जब हमको पैसा लगाना होता है तो वी डोंट वांट टू नो मोर इन्फॉर्मेशन, वेयर एज यू शुड नो एग्जैक्टली क्या कंपनी करती है जिसमें आप अपना पैसा डालने वाले हो कल से. सो ये जो कंपनी है जोमेटो, इसमें दिल्ली, मुंबई, बेंगलुरु, पुणे, ऑकलैंड, हैदराबाद and 22 countries including Australia, Canada, Poland, New Zealand, UAE, Sri Lanka, UK, Qatar, Philippines and South Africa. From Vancouver to Auckland, Zomato is used by millions every day to decide where to eat in over 10,000 cities across 22 23 countries. Imagine, this is the reach of Zomato. I thought it's just, I stay in Gurgaon and this is a Gurgaon based company, and I thought, this is just in Gurgaon or just in Bangalore, because that's where I've seen it, or in Pune. But it is present all over the world, right? Then these are the other startups that they have invested money in, right? So now what I really felt, let's go and study what is happening into the company's fundamentals, right? So Info Edge is a large cap, right? 66,661 crore. That's the market cap of this company. This is the news to me. Like, I thought this is some sideline company, but it is not. It's a large cap company. The current price, of course, all of it is fine. The P is, oh my God, this is insanely high, 3742. I don't know. I mean, how come it's so high? If we invest 3,742 rupees, we will be able to earn 1 rupee from it, right? So insanely high. But yet, I'm sure that is why people are, there is something, that is why the price is increasing. Or, of course, it's been horizontal, but that is why the stock has risen from a very, very low level about a in past few years. So see here, starting from 2007 to 2013, it was horizontal, but right after 2014, it just started rising up massively. The stock started rising up, right? So I'm sure people are not fooled. People are not, they're not going to put money into something which doesn't have value. So let me take you to the different pros and cons of the company. Company's almost debt free. I think this is one of the very, very big positive point. Company's median sales growth is 18.74 in last 10 years. I think, which is again a very, very important aspect. When I saw the balance sheet, I can't say that I'm the best person to read a balance sheet, but whatever little I know, I felt it's a very, very good balance sheet. So stock is trading at 14.4, 15 times of its book value, which is a con. Company has low return on equity. Company's earnings include other incomes of 1379 crores. Promoter holding has decreased over last 3 years. That's a concern. That's not a correct thing, good thing. So who are the actual peers for this company? So I don't think so. Again, that justification is correct. The Just Dial and IndiaMart are basically its peers. I don't think so. They are, because Just Dial is into it's like a yellow page, and IndiaMart is basically a marketplace, and Info Edge is basically, if you look into Zomato, if you look into 99 acres, a little different segment. But of course, okay, you can say one thing, that they all three are IT companies. So which way, that way it's fine. So Info Edge company here is 91, and how come here it's, I think maybe then this is incorrect, right? There's something wrong with the data. But P of IndiaMart is also pretty high, whereas Just Dial is about 21. Market cap of Info Edge is the highest. I was just looking at the sales, right? So here the sales look stagnant in the quarterly results, but if I see here the balance sheet, the sales have continuously gone up, like they've been continuously heading in the upward direction, right? And operating profits, I am finding these data a little bit cooked up. I don't know for what reason, but somewhere it is so high. Operating profit is 219 crores, then next year 9 crores, then next year minus 351 crores. I don't know, maybe there is something which I need to again further check somewhere, right? Whereas operating profit margins have been consistently very high, but in the last this quarters the data doesn't look as promising as it should be. Then comes the compounded profit growth. So some data is definitely missing, and stock price CAGR is pretty good, right? Return on equity is almost negative, right? So some parts that I really liked about it, the borrowings have grown up, right? But look at the reserves. They have 4,000 crores as reserves. this borrowing is negligible. Suppose something goes wrong tomorrow, they will be easily able to pay their borrowings, right? The liabilities are also minuscule, nothing big. But the thing really I liked about the company was that the cash from the operating activity is pretty good, right? It's 350 crores. And see here, net cash flow has slowly, gradually increased, right? So these are all very, very important points about the balance sheet of Naukri. So what is going to be my stance in this company? Let me give you that. I do plan to invest in various ways. Definitely in the cash. I will be investing in cash. I will be investing probably in a contra trade of future, or I will be doing its option selling, right? But all after confirmation. So don't jump to trade just because I'm making a video and just because I've put together all the information. But I feel that it should give us a good return, and I'll be posting this, my buy price, my stop loss, and everything on Twitter as well, right? So this is my today's research. Hope you like it, and if you like it, please like and subscribe my video. So this is my channel. So this is my channel, and you please subscribe it, please like it, so that you can all keep getting the notification of the, because I'm going to make a micro series. So I told you today itself the stock has given about 10% return, almost like 25 points it has given, right? About 6-7% return. The stock that I had given yesterday, Moltech, has given. So you can follow me on my Telegram channel. You can follow me on my Twitter handle, and YouTube video. Definitely you can watch and make money along with me. And with this, I'm signing off. I am expecting you to make good amount of money, right? I really wish that you make good money. And if you make money, please come back to the channel and comment about it, right? Now it's all about one stock at a time. I'm not mixing many stocks. So all the best, guys. I tried to do my level best in explaining, what is happening in this particular stock, which is Mindtree, right? So all the best, and that's today's video, and see you tomorrow in the live market. All the best. Take care.